Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale cybersecurity with Cisco systems, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to scale cybersecurity with Cisco systems can significantly enhance your organization's defenses. Begin by assessing your current cybersecurity posture. Identify vulnerabilities in your existing infrastructure. Conduct a comprehensive risk assessment to map out potential threats. Next, define your cybersecurity goals. Decide which assets require the most protection. Choose the right Cisco solutions that align with your objectives. Explore Cisco's security portfolio, including Cisco SecureX, Firepower, and Umbrella. Consider integrating Cisco's threat intelligence services for better situational awareness. Implement a multi-layered security architecture. Incorporate firewalls, intrusion prevention systems, and endpoint security solutions. Leverage Cisco's cloud security solutions to protect your cloud environments. Utilize the Cisco Identity Services Engine for centralized access control. Prioritize user education and training for employees. Foster a culture of security awareness within your organization. Regularly update your security policies and procedures. Ensure compliance with relevant industry regulations and standards. Continuously monitor your systems and networks for anomalies. Deploy Cisco's advanced analytics platforms to gain insights from your security data. Invest in automation to streamline incident response processes. Utilize Cisco's security incident response services if you face a significant breach. Evaluate your security posture frequently to adapt to evolving threats. Engage in regular penetration testing to identify weaknesses. Collaborate with Cisco's technical support for ongoing assistance and advice. Document every step taken for compliance and future reference. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your cybersecurity framework with Cisco systems. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.